If you're looking to lose belly fat, incorporating regular exercise into your routine can be highly beneficial. Here are 10 effective exercises that can help you in your journey to lose belly fat. 1. High-intensity interval training. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief recovery periods. This type of training is effective for burning calories and targeting abdominal fat. 2. Crunches. Classic crunches target the abdominal muscles and can help strengthen and tone your core. 3. Plank. Holding a plank position engages the entire core, including the abdominal muscles. Aim to hold the plank for 30 seconds to start and gradually increase the duration as you progress. 4. Bicycle crunches. Lie on your back and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest while performing a twisting motion, as if you're cycling. This exercise engages both the upper and lower abs. 5. Russian twists. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet lifted off the ground. Twist your torso from side to side, touching the ground with your hands on each side. This exercise targets the obliques. 6. Mountain climbers. Assume a push-up position and alternate bringing your knees towards your chest in a running motion. This exercise engages multiple muscle groups, including the core. 7. Burpees. Start in a standing position, then quickly drop down into a push-up position, perform a push-up, and jump back up to a standing position. Burpees are a full-body exercise that can help burn calories and engage the core. 8. Side plank. Similar to the traditional plank, but performed on one side with your body supported by one arm and the side of your foot. This exercise targets the obliques. 9. Walking or jogging. Engaging in regular cardiovascular exercises like walking or jogging can help burn overall body fat, including belly fat. 10. Swimming. Swimming is a low-impact exercise that engages the entire body and can help burn calories and reduce body fat, including belly fat. For more video regarding health-related topics, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel Healthy Keeps Wealthy.